So major outage on AWS yesterday, one of its biggest regions went down and this was huge. Let's see what happened. So AWS reported increased error rates and latencies on US East 1 region, actually the biggest data center that AWS has. So the root cause is tied to the internal EC2 networking and a malfunctioning subsystem, as the report says. So this means that thousands of applications went down, website services from games to bank, half of the internet was down yesterday. Now, why this is a big deal? Because so many businesses, they trust a single provider and a single region for critical infra. And of course, when it fails, the impact is huge. To be honest, I didn't expect so huge companies and technological companies to lack a region downtime disaster recovery plan, for example. Of course, this is not something that happens every day, not even every year. But I would expect companies like, I can see here, Canva, Duolingo, Fortnite, Snapchat, to have their workloads on another region for disaster recovery purposes, to be honest. Also, in my search for that incident, I tried to find the reports from all of these big companies that let their customer knows what happened, but I couldn't find anything. I don't know, write me in the comment if you find something. It doesn't make so much sense to me. I don't know what to say. So if you were building your infra yesterday, it makes sense to ask yourself if you're a hostage of one region only or one provider. Especially if you're a big company or an e-shop with 1,000 orders every hour or so. The AWS outage shows us that this happens, and it has happened in the past. And when it does, if you're not prepared, it hits hard. If you want to stay resilient, plan for failure before it happens.